Hey everybody, today we'll be creating a sock bunny. I have some socks and I have some scrap pastel material that I managed to get. To have some thread I will be using. I then also have a scissor and a marker. I also have a glass and I have a mug filled with rice and a mug filled with dyed peas. This will go in the sock. Yeah, I'm just checking that the sock has no holes. It's important to make sure. Now I'm just putting my sock in the glass so that I can start to pour in my things. Okay, we're just pouring, and then once we've had enough, we're going to take the sock out and then secure the sock with a piece of thread so that it can be stable and ready to go for the next layer. Once your sock is secured, you have now created the body of the bunny. Then place that into the glass and have an opening at the top of the sock. Pour the rest of the rice into the sock. This will now create the head of the bunny. Here I'm just needing some help to hold my sock bunny, and then I'm going to secure that part. Once everything is secured, I already have my head and my body and the shape is starting to take form. Now I'm just going to be cutting through the top of the sock, and this creates 2 bunny ears. As you can see, once I've got my bunny ears, I'm going to now pose with it. Then I'm going to find my material and I'm going to choose a nice color that I like. I was drawn to this pastel color because it matched my top. I'm just going to create a simple bow, and this is going to be added to the ear of bunny. Then I'm going to create the bunny's eyes with 2 simple dots for the eyes, and then a cross for the mouth and nose. This is a really simple craft exercise. Then I'm going to create a scarf using another piece of pastel fabric that I found so that it's matching me. And that's it. That's my sock bunny. I hope you all try this. It was really fun and really easy to make. Just took my sock bunny out and took some pictures because I was really proud of the sock bunny that I made today. Thank you guys so much for watching.